Hello my wonderful fellow creative, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, our channel is where I break down graphic design tutorial into a simple and understandable way. Now without further ado, let's get into this. So actually I've not posted for I think a month now. That's because I've been busy trying to build my brand. And if you guys notice, I changed my name from Graphic King to WiseOne Creative Studio. So I did a rebrand, and as time goes on, I will also start teaching about filming and how to make cinematic videos. So now let's dive into this. First, go to your file, new, and you can see the size I used was actually a square size. So this is the size, 3000 by 3000 pixel. Click on create. Okay, the next thing I'll bring in, this is the resources I use. I'll leave the link below in the description. Bring in this program I used. I would scale it up. Then I'll bring in the model. This was the model. I'll zoom it in. Zoom it in. Like this is okay, but let me click on solid color. Just pick a color, then click to the back, left click, artboard from layer. Why I created an artboard? If you have come across with my channel, you know I usually bring in the design, original design, so I can be using it. Sample also, I will not any part of something like that. Just use it. I think I overscaled this image. Just reduce the size. Yeah. Then I'll bring in the logo. Before I use, I'll reduce the size. If you notice, you are not seeing it well because I haven't applied the vignette effect. So it's a kind of vignette effect. So now let's get into it. So first of all, go to this background, click on your filter, blur, and blur gallery and thin blur. Make it this angle blur to be teary. Use just drag it, take it to this side. That's what I did. I made the angle to be teary, and it was spin blur I used. Make sure it covers it. The blur angle actually entered higher value, so make sure it's teary. You click on OK and wait for it to load. Okay, so when you are done doing it, next thing I'll bring in click on new layer, bring to the top of the model, press G on your keyboard, and make sure this plate is black. Make sure go to your basic and you click on this click on OK. Make sure it's black. Hold shift in your keyboard and drag. This is okay. So I'll take it down a little bit. Then I'll come to the top and I'll create another one again. Press G on the keyboard again. And I will Z. This time I will from up. When you're doing it this time, you do it from up. Drag it down. Just I want it to have a small but not too much. Ctrl Z. Hold your shift while doing this. Too much again. I'll just stick it up. Then I'll bring it down. That is okay. Click on my G again. It's okay. You can actually mask it out. Click on masking. Mask it, then press V on keyboard for brush. Increase the size and make sure here is black. Increase the opacity to 100. Increase your flow 100. Now mask it out. So that the face, that clean stuff will not affect this. Now go to new layer and click on it. Then make sure your picture is always in the center. This, see, and if you notice this side is not actually well covered, so I just hold my shift and make sure it's covered. So the shape I was creating, go to your ellipse to hold your shift, drag. Is okay. Use the white color, take the back. I'll scale it down. This masking plate, I will mask it out. I'll mask in this place. You mark, make sure it's set to black to clean this part. Let me take it down a little bit. I want to reveal this part. It's okay. Then I will Control J to duplicate it. Convert this to a smart object. Go to your filter, blur, motion blur, and increase motion blur. Use the radius so you have this glowing effect. Go to adjustment layer, go to hue and saturation, increase the saturation, take to the top. Next thing, you may bring in the text. So this text here is actually June, UNE. the font I used there. Let me bring in this first one, this first font. Control T, and you can scale it. The font I used was Bank. You can see it here. Scale it. Then Control A. Control D to select it and bring it down, give it a white color. I think the size is too big, but scale it down small. Control A, centralize it. Control D to deselect. Go to your effects, go to satin, and in this, not color overlay, go to satin and make sure it is in linear dodge add and reduce the opacity. Make sure the size is in 0. Reduce the opacity. Let me zoom it better. Make the distance minus 148. Click on select it to be normal. Reduce the opacity. That's how you have something like this. So click on OK. So yes, that was how we created this. Now I will create the other July in the back. June. Go to new layer, type July, June. The font I used was Autograph. And it was in all caps, you can see it. Scale it. Take it down. Increase the size. Go to FX, to outer glow, and set it to linear dodge add. Copy my setting here. Look at the setting. Opacity 20, linear dodge add, spread 66, size 16, and OK. That was how I created this. Let me increase the opacity to 44 is OK. Now scale it. This. Next, I'll bring in the auto action. For that, I'll just highlight all of them, click on Ctrl Shift Alt E, create a snapshot of it, filter gallery, Ctrl 0, distort, glass. Yeah, go to blocks, increase it and click on OK, and you will let me create a new layer. Draw a new shape, make the outline white, make it white, and make the outline will be white but the color will be black. So I'll hold my Alt and clip it, then I'll bring in the welcome tool. The font I used was Bricolage Regular, and I increased the line spacing to 500. And I'll also bring in this other text, Celebrity Photographer, and I increased the line spacing to 420, Bricolage Semi-Bold. Also, I'll bring in, here looks unbalanced, so I'll bring in this is just to spice up the design, and go to your FX, color overlay, and make sure it's white. Scale it down a little bit, Ctrl T, and scale it down. It's okay. So we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you have gotten value from this video, and I also hope you have learned something from this video. So if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe now. Catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.